These are the elevators at the Mall of Short Hills parking garage. Oh wow, look at this. Lower level shops. Going down?
Yeah.
Which floor?
I think we're gonna go to 2.
Upper level shops.
Thank you so much.
Lower level shops is locked.
Oh, okay.
The green, it's a Westinghouse. Oh, it's a Schindler. Schindler traction. Really nice. Okay, let's go up to. I'll be right back at UL after I go up to 5.
Wait, let's door open and everybody get off.
No door closed button. Now I'm gonna go up to 5 on my own.
Okay. I'll wait down here for you when you come back.
Now I'll go up to 5.
And then you come straight back down, okay?
Okay.
He's gonna take a ride.
Oh, hydro. These are nice elevators. Typical relay controller. Whoa, this thing's low on oil. Low on oil. See, this is the roof level. Upper level shops. ADA compliant phone. Fast. I'm guessing 125 feet per minute. Pretty nice elevator. Green. AE. Schindler, great job. ADA compliant phone. That's it.